Let's get it! All right, guys, today I'm Rob the Water God. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, today I'm going to be going over Bitcoin and Ethereum, the big news on that. We got JP Morgan saying where he thinks Bitcoin will be at the end of the year. We're going to go over the chart and we're going to get to some of the real information and not the FUD, all right? The indicators show that capital beginning to flow back into Bitcoin. So that means people are about to start buying a lot of Bitcoin. What does that mean for the crypto industry? All right. If you're holding all of these other coins right now instead of Bitcoin, you need to be mostly with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is just gonna move the fastest right now. And then you can trickle down and get some into Ethereum. Now, this isn't financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion on what I think. I think right now it's the time for Bitcoin, okay? So, as this article says, it says the indicator that has historically marked major price buttons and pointing to a renewed flow of capital into Bitcoin. The stablecoin supply ratio escalator created by analyst Willy Woo and tracked by blockchain analyst firm Glassnode has risen from a 12-month low of 2.6 to 1.9 in the past few weeks. So the recovery indicates capital have been flowing from stablecoins into Bitcoin. Glassnode tweeted on Thursday. In other words, bargain hunters look to have employed stablecoins to buy the dip in Bitcoin and broader crypto markets. So what does this mean? This is why you have to take profits, okay? And listen, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel where we give you up-to-date information on crypto, okay? So here I told you guys, it says, people are using their stable coins and they are buying a dip. This is why you have to take profits. You can't just sit in there and let the money sit and it's going up and you're like, oh, because you're going to have to buy back in at price points. So when it goes down, you got to be expecting it to go down so you can buy in and you can buy a little more. So that's why it's so important to take profits. And I don't say it at the end of my video just to say it. I'm saying it so I can beat it in your head so you can know, take a little bit of profits off the top and buy some back in once it go down. Okay? The easiest way to make money in this market. So it says the stablecoin supply is the ratio of Bitcoin supply, and the stablecoin supply denoted in Bitcoin. When the ratio is low, the buying power for Bitcoin is high, as the same amount for USD can buy relatively more BTC. Conversely, a high ratio means fiat has weak buying power. So this is what you guys got to understand. There's going to come a time to where that fiat has been pushing, trying to keep its relevancy because people got a lot of US dollars. But I can see the US dollar is not being enough power. Like the buying power is going to be too weak to buy, a Bitcoin. As soon as when it takes off, because it's going to take off like we ain't going to be able to see and you're not going to be able to catch up. By then, you're going to be buying a rising asset. So this article is key because it's showing you that a lot of money is getting into Bitcoin. It's going to Bitcoin, all right? And as you see right here on Glassnode, it shows you that April 21 is showing you that we are, it's more capital coming in here, all right? So let's get with the Elon Musk, all right? Dorsey and Musk hint a Bitcoin debate. Now, we're going to love this one. So Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey, two of the cryptocurrency's most famous proponents, have hinted they will debate at a forthcoming Bitcoin event. In a Twitter exchange on Friday, Twitter founder Dorsey suggested having the talk, to which Tesla CEO Musk replied, "For the bit curious? Very well then, let's do it," followed by a wink emoji. Dorsey had initially tweeted about the B word and event he is set to host a July 21st, along Kathy Wood, the founder of ARK Investment Management. Musk asks if that referred to by curious, prompting Dorsey to suggest the two had a conversation at the event for the Tesla founder to share all curiosities. All right, so they're gonna have a debate. What are they gonna talk about? Dogecoin and Bitcoin, probably, but something that could probably work. All right, now here, Ethereum London upgrades launches on testnet as 100K staked in a day on ETH 2.0. So ETH 2.0, I think, is about to take off right after Bitcoin does its big jump. I think a lot of money is going to pour into ETH then. And ETH is going to just it's going to do like right behind Bitcoin. Just my opinion. Like, again, this is not financial advice. So I think that, like I did an article on my other videos, if you guys can check it out, I talked about the wrapped Ethereum that's wrapped in Bitcoin. So what they do is you can have Bitcoin, but you can wrap it with ETH, just so you can switch it from back and forth. Now, if you guys don't know, I got a link for BlockFi where they have where you can switch your ETH to Bitcoin however you want without having to have it wrapped or anything like that with the other cryptocurrency. So in the description, BlockFi, where you can store, you can make passive income off your crypto. You guys need to get that, okay? I also got Celsius down there too. They're two of the biggest in the game. All right, so ETH, my opinion is ETH is going to take off after Bitcoin. It looks like it's slow rolling right now. But let's get into some coins, guys. So as you see, the market's kind of down right now. But the highest coin we got is Coin and Shiba Inu got 5%. Pretty good. Dogecoin went up 4. Nano. Dogecoin kind of been on the tear lately. You got Crypto.com. So everything's looking pretty good. All right. Let's check out Bitcoin and see where it's going. All right. So we're at 33,235 right now, and if you can look at the chart, guys, look at 1 year we're 257% up. So none of this doesn't matter. If you bought Bitcoin and it was at 60 and it went down, who cares? Next year you're probably gonna be at 300%. You have to hold these currencies for a long enough. A lot of people, they jump into this game and they're like, man, I'm down. You only had it for 3-4 weeks, bro. You only had it for a month. What do you think? These people hold coins for years. So those are the new investors that's not going to be around. They're going to be the ones that's like, man, I should have held on to that coin when like I was in 2017. So Bitcoin is looking good. Will we reach past 35,000 again? In the week off, it showed that we could be in stage B. I showed y'all in my last video. We could be in stage C. You guys tell me what you think, okay? But don't forget to invest smart and always take profit. I see you guys in the video.